So in this video, I'm going to discuss this specific keyframe settings a lot of edits use. And those edits are the kind of edits that you probably see that have most views or you find them very catchy. For example, you will see this in Iman Gadzhi videos, and a lot of other creators are doing this. So the ones that you consider as top edits are using this particular keyframing technique. And you don't need to be necessarily using this DaVinci Resolve to be able to do that. You can do that in any software. But the technique that I'm going to be showing you is the same. So over here, I just have this text. Let's just write in anything. Let's just write text and let's increase the size a little bit. And let's also add it low. So you will see that this is the kind of effect that they have in their videos mostly. Let's also change the color scale, a little bit green, red. But yeah, so something like this. And now for the main thing, let's go ahead and start animating this. So go over to the text in the layout section, create a keyframe at center. And then let's also go over to 0 frames, create another keyframe. And this time we're just going to move this down. So if you play this, this is how it looks. Very simple animation, nothing too fancy. But if you go over to the spline, and this is that technique, make sure you select your keyframes. Now this is applicable if you're using Adobe After Effects as well. It doesn't matter what software you're using, but just look at this. Make sure that you select your keyframes and make them ease in. So ease your keyframes. So select the first keyframe and then move this right here and select the second keyframe and move this right here. So you get this S looking curve. And if you play this, this is the kind of effect that you will get. Let me just play this again. So this is the technique a lot of channels are using. This is the kind of keyframe settings that they use in order to animate their text or their elements or whatever is there in the video, especially when it comes to motion graphics. So I hope you will find this useful and I'll see you in the next video.